Alexa, ask Robovac to start cleaning.
Robovac Dora starting cleaning session.
Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing good. So this video was actually recorded last year and this was the first Robo vacuum which we bought before buying MI vacuum mop. So in today's video I thought I'll share the details of the same, and in case you're planning to purchase Eufy G10 hybrid Robovac, you should be able to decide whether to purchase this or not. So let's get started. Eufy G10 hybrid Robovac's biggest selling point is undoubtedly its dual function capabilities. It can vacuum as well as mop your floors. Models from other brands with the same functionality are significantly more expensive, but this one comes in at a relatively low price point. So we ordered this Robovac after doing my research, and the main reason to finalize this was the low price it was offering. We were confused to choose between Eufy and MI, and I think we ordered G10 for Rs 13,999. Right now the price is even reduced, and if you're purchasing, you'll get it for Rs 10,999. We ordered it from Flipkart and this is how it was delivered. The Eufy G10 hybrid comes with 12-month warranty period. The accessories include user manual, waterproof pad, the main unit, two washable mopping cloths and the mop pad, cleaning brush, 5 cable ties, charger, unibody filter, 4 side brushes and 4 extra filter elements. The waterproof pad should be attached to the charging base like so. The G10 weighs 2.5 kg with dust chamber capacity of 0.5 liters. Its charge time is 360 minutes with a runtime of 100 minutes. It also has 2 power modes, standard and max. Eufy Robovac G10 has a low 7.2 cm profile, allowing it to slide under couches, beds and other hard to clean areas. The low height limits the size of the dust container to 0.5 liters, which slots into base of the G10. Option to switch on the power is provided at the base. To use G10 effectively, we need to install Eufy Home app, and the configuration is pretty straightforward. This app lets you control the cleaning intensity, enable spot cleaning, schedule and locate the device if it is crawled off under a couch or bed. It also tells you the condition of the various components like the brushes and battery, so you can replace or charge as needed. There is option to schedule the cleaning task as well. While cleaning, there are a few times when the vacuum went offline on the app despite being charged and powered on. I had to turn the device off and on again each time this happened. The G10 has an excellent battery life, which you can see on the app. It never stopped midway through a clean. So once the battery was fully charged, we set the cleaning mode to start, and we were impressed with its performance initially. The G10 offers 2 suction strengths, standard and max. I preferred max for a more thorough clean, but that does make it louder. The G10 picks up dust and debris easily. The 2 spinning brushes at the front scoop up the particles and propel them towards a suction point. Initially it was doing the cleaning sessions in a zigzag pattern, but after some time we noticed it's doing the cleaning session randomly. It bumps into walls, gets caught in cables and then needs help to untangle itself. The G10 does come with cable ties, but if you're like me, you'll probably just push the cables out of reach when running the device. Not everyone has time to tie and untie the cables around home every day. A good feature available is to provide cleaning from a single spot. Option is available in the app to control the Robovac manually as well. Once the cleaning was done, it returned back to its charging base, and we were shocked to see the dust and debris it collected from our home. For mopping, there is a separate water tank attachment that fits under the dust tank. The mopping tank has a removable towel that velcros into place. Eufy advised not to use the mopping function without supervision, and that disappointed me since I wanted to mop while I was away during the day. As for mopping, it will clean light stains and small wet spills, but you will still need to give the G10 time to rove and eventually reach the mess. There are manual controls via the app, but it's a bit odd to use. Like most other Robovacs, the G10 struggles in corners too. Again, this makes the G10 better suited for day-to-day light cleaning. The G10 can detect drops and never missed the stairs in our home. The app connects the G10 to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. I tried pairing it to Amazon Alexa and it worked flawlessly.
Alexa, ask Robovac to start cleaning.
Robovac Dora starting cleaning session.
Alexa, ask Robovac to go home.
Robovac Dora returning to charging bay.
With the ability to vacuum as well as mop, the Eufy Robovac G10 is a bargain price for a dual function robot, especially when considering the prices of other models currently available. The G10 is good for light day-to-day cleaning and mopping. Though Eufy advises not to use the mopping function without supervision, scheduling features allow you to set it loose when you are away, which means you can come back to a tidy flat. However, you will have to be careful about loose items like cables. The G10 Hybrid does not support LiDAR or camera sensors, and for the same reason, it takes its own sweet time to rove and can sometimes leave a room before full cleaning is complete. And that I felt a bit annoying since we had to manually check the area every time. That's it for today's video, so please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and do share it with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.